Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 1? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. In today's class, we will be doing some more practice exercise of what is barter system and how we can exchange things, right? Okay. So, in our yesterday's class, we discussed this topic. And how many of you have revised the lecture at your home? Yes, raise your hands. Wonderful. So who is going to tell me what is barter system? The mean of exchange, right? Okay. And how what do we do in this? We exchange items and goods for the to get other items and goods, right? Which we need. Very well done. Okay. And in yesterday's class we discussed a lot of examples as well, right? So and I ask you to practice it at your home, exchange something with your siblings or with your parents. Have you practiced it? Wonderful. Now in today's class, we will play a small activity and then we will move forward. Okay. The activity is okay. What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to make a column in your copies. Open your notebooks. This is column number one. This is column number two. And in these columns, what you are supposed to do, let's say what you want to exchange in result of what. Let's say I want to have two storybooks and in result of that I will give one box of crayon. Got it? This is what I want and this is what I want to give in result of that. Similarly, I want five candies and I'll be giving one packet of biscuit in result of that. Okay, and your deals should be fair enough, right? You should be giving something which is good. Okay, then at next I want what I want. Okay, I want a packet of Lays, and in result of that, I'll be giving three chocolates. See, now this is what I want to have, and this is what I already have, maybe in more quantity, right? Okay, and I want to make an exchange with somebody. I can exchange it with you guys, I can exchange it with my siblings, with my friends. So similarly, you are supposed to make a list, you're supposed to practice it. So make a list, what do you want as a result of that? Make a list, hurry up. And after that, do identify what are items and what are goods in that. Okay, hurry up, start writing and let me know that what you have added in your list. Okay, start writing. Yes, Elise. What you want? You want a Barbie doll, and what you will be giving as a result of that? A teddy bear. Fair enough. Excellent. Okay. What next? What else is in your list? You want Oreo biscuits. Okay. And what you will be giving in result of that? Five candies. Okay. That's good. What next? You want a hat, and what you will be giving as a result of that? A t-shirt. This is great as well. Okay, very well done, Alize. Now let's ask Vase. Yes, Vase, what do you want? Vase wants a racing car, and what you will be giving her as a result of that, Vase? Any toy. Okay, and that toy should be compared to in wealth to the racing car. Okay, it should be something which is expensive. Okay, what next? You love? Okay, puffs, and what you will be giving in result of that? Two packets of Lays. Okay, well, very well done. Okay. Guess what next? You will be giving two pairs of socks. And what you want in result of that? A t-shirt. Wonderful. Okay. So let's listen to Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah. Which things are included in your list? Okay, a box of crayon. And what you want in result of that? A clay box. Okay. A magic. Wonderful. Okay. What next? You want chips, and what you will be giving? Biscuits. Okay. And anything else? Wonderful. Very well done. Okay, so now after practicing this, all of us are very much familiar with that what is barter system and how things are being exchanged, right? Now, what I want you is that all of you please open your book page number 70. This is page number 70. In this, the same practice will be what is given to you, right? We will count a number of items and then we will discuss that is the exchange possible or not, okay? So all of you have opened your book. Okay, great. This is the page, right? Page number 70. Okay. Now, look at the things. The statement says that in each set, write the numbers in the boxes given, right? The numbers are the things are given, and you are supposed to write that how many things are there. Let's say how many trousers are there? Only one, and it is equal to one shirt, right? One trouser is equal to one shirt. This means that if you want to have a trouser, you can exchange it with one shirt. Let's look at the next one. Four rulers. If you have four rulers, one, two, three, four, you can exchange it with one book, right? Four rulers would be equal to one book. Okay. What next? Three pencils, four pencils. One, two, three, four pencils are equal to two pens, right? If you want to have two pens, you can exchange it with four pencils, right? Okay. What next? What exchanges can be possible? What if you have six? Yes, if you have six color tubes, you can exchange it with one crayon box, right? One box of crayon can be exchanged with six color tubes, right? Okay. What next? If you have two ice cream cones, you can exchange it with candies. How many candies are there? Count them. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, right? Eight candies. So just write the numbers, write down the numbers. All of you are done? Yes, please write down the numbers. Let's say you will be writing one in this box and one in this. Over here, you will be writing four, then one, again four and two. Then you will be writing six over here. And how many colors are there in a crayon box? They are 10, right? Okay. But the box is one. You are not supposed to write the number of crayons. You're supposed to write the box. We have one box, right? Then how many cones? Two. How many candies? Eight. Excellent. Okay. Now, is there any confusion in understanding the barter system? No? Okay. Now, if through this, you might get an idea that if you want to exchange something from your stationery, let's say you forget your eraser at your home, right? And your friend have two erasers. So you can exchange that eraser in result of something, and you have two sharpeners, so you can give one sharpener to him and you can take eraser from him, right? This can be work. Yes, in in such situations. Similarly, if you forget to bring your ruler and you have two pencils, you can give one pencil to somebody and take ruler from her, right? Okay, so that was all for today. We have done some more practice of barter system, and this also comes under the heading of money. And why we are studying this topic? Because this helps us understand that this was the method which people used in old days, because at that time they don't have money, they were not wealthy, and if they have coins, and the money which was available was only coins, and they don't have even coins, right? So they keep on exchanging things to get whatever they want to or whatever they need, right? Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do practice it at your home with some more things, and let me know if you have any confusion. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Alhamdulillah. Sorry.